In this video, I'm going to show you how to make this card using the piece of cake bundle. Here's the card. It's super cute. It uses the all dressed up designer series paper. Super fun. It's got the colors of mint macaron, purple posy, and pretty peacock. I just love that color combination. I'm going to start by wrapping some polka dot ribbon around my DSP and tying a bow. This polka dot ribbon is fun to use on any card, but especially more fun on a birthday card, I think. So let's bump this up a little bit. And first I'm going to tie a knot, fairly tight. And then I'll tie a bow. There we go. And then I'm going to adhere this down to my pretty peacock card base. And that's all ready. So now on this piece, I'm going to stamp in black, "Happy birthday, you sweet thing," just down here at the bottom. And then on this 1-inch strip of paper, I'm going to stamp my cake. And my cake stand. I like to stamp them separately and punch them out separately. I find it easier to do. So now I'm going to color this. I'm going to do it with the dark purple posy. Kind of fun, like a lavender kind of frosting. We also have mint macaron and pretty peacock blends, so you could use either of those. And then for the cake stand, I'm going to use dark smoky slate on the left. And then I'm going to blend it with the light smoky slate on the right. I love using blends and watching them blend. It's so fun, very relaxing. So now I'm going to punch these out using the Cake Builder punch. It's really easy. I'm just going to slide it in and line it up, and I only have to do one at a time because I stamped it on this strip of paper. So it makes it super easy to line up. There we go. So now I'm going to put some dimensionals on here and some mini dimensionals on this cake stand. And then I'm going to adhere them to this stitched rectangle die. These are super fun and they come in many sizes. They really are fun to add to your card. And I'm gonna use this to measure where I should put my lollipops. So right about there. Let's see if that worked. Yep. So I'm gonna add my cake now. And then I'm going to color the lollipops with a little bit of purple posy, and then I can come back with some mint macaron and color the rest. Now I'm gonna add, of course, some dimensionals to adhere this to the card. try to get this right in the center. There we go. Here is our piece of cake card. I am offering a class on the piece of cake bundle. You get 2 of these cards, 2 of these cards, and 2 of these cards, and the bundle, all for $50 plus $5 shipping and handling. Or if you already have the bundle, then you can just purchase the supplies for $25 plus $5 shipping and handling. You can contact me at elaine@estampin.com for more information. You can also go to my website, elainescreations.net. And if you'd like to purchase anything, please use my May hostess code. You've got 6 days left, and I will send you a free gift. This set is retiring, so please make sure you get it within the 6 days so you don't miss out on it, as well as any other last chance items like this designer series paper and this one. Some of the designer series paper are on sale for 50% off, so you definitely want to check out the last chance products. Thank you so much for joining me. Be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and to check out my website, elainescreations.net. See you next time. Bye.